Welcome to Block 2 or Week 2 for Health and Wellness. This week we are really going to dive into health promoting and health compromising behaviors. So this week you will need to complete the SMART Goals case study and the second step for the Behavior Change Project. Again, these are sequential, so you need to complete one, and that needs to be graded for passing score, and then you can move on to the next step. Then you'll need to complete the SMART book for the chapters on health promoting behaviors and health compromising behaviors. You'll also have a journal this week. As this is an ethics designated course, we move into a different type. You'll have a video which poses an ethical dilemma, and you'll need to provide the response in this journal. So as you'll see here, you need to watch this video on an ethical dilemma. You'll need to pick one of the following. These are right here. You'll need to pick one of those to watch or listen to, and then you'll also need to have a journal entry that has 1 to 3 paragraphs responding to the questions presented in the ethical dilemma video, and 1 paragraph about what you learned from the other video or podcast you picked and how it applies to your own health and wellness. Then for apply and expand, you'll have quite a few labs this week. Please note that the diet analysis lab does require you to track food for 3 days, so you will need to get started on this early. If you, start this on Saturday, you will not have enough information. You'll also need to complete the sleep quality index test. This is a questionnaire, and then this health testing poster assignment. So you'll be using the template that I've provided to you. And then this is your data sheet that you'll record all of your information in. So this is going to go back. You're going to be looking at all of the different labs that you've completed and the information from last week as well as this week. Everything will be in this data sheet. You'll complete organization, and then you'll create your poster. So it's going to be pretty straightforward. You need to organize your data into 3 effective charts or tables. Visual charts are pretty effective at illustrating your data. And then you need to be succinct and to the point. You don't want to have just a bunch of data after data with paragraphs of words. You need to make sure it's very clear, very concise, to the point, and that way me as the reader has a really good understanding of really why you, what you did and what your results were and the importance of the results within a couple of minutes. I should not have to spend 20 minutes poring over your PowerPoint template or your poster template to really have good grasp of what you accomplished. So when you're finished, you'll save the file and submit it directly into this link for Blackboard. And really, this is a different type of assignment just to collect all of that information and provide it in a succinct way. This is also a good skill to acquire if you're going into any sort of research-based field, because this is something that is a really good skill, because you may be, in research writing or research methods, and these are things that you can complete in the future in order to go to different conferences, and really it's a good way to compile your data in a really organized fashion. So that is this week, week 2. Please let me know if you have any questions, but I look forward to seeing all of the information that you present. Thanks.